We build sprawling cities, conquer the skies, and boldly label ourselves the apex of this planet. But step outside, lock eyes with a stray cat or a passing bird, and all your self-appointed titles vanish instantly. In their reality, your career, your bank account, and your human complexity simply do not exist. If you strip away our human ego, the way animals actually perceive us is not just a fascinating biological mystery. It is a deeply humbling reality check. We often assume our pets see us as their best friends, but neuroscience tells a much more intricate story. Dogs, for instance, navigate the world through a chemical lens, possessing olfactory receptors thousands of times more powerful than ours. To a dog, you are a unique, ever-changing landscape of sense. They do not just love you. They study your micro-expressions and read the chemical changes in your sweat to predict your emotional state before you even realize you are stressed. You are a biological anchor in their pack, a predictable, upright resource provider who regulates their survival. Cats, on the other hand, do not suffer from the illusion that we are in charge. Behavioral biologists suggest felines view humans as clumsy, oversized feline roommates who are inexplicably bad at hunting. When a cat brings you a toy or a captured insect, they are not paying tribute. They are likely trying to teach a remarkably uncoordinated giant how to survive. They even developed a specific acoustic frequency, the meow, almost exclusively to manipulate human attention, meaning to them you are a highly trainable service provider. Now shift your perspective to animals wired for flight, like horses or deer. They do not judge your appearance. They judge your biomechanics. As prey animals, their brains constantly scan your heart rate, the tension in your shoulders, and the speed of your approach. To a horse, a human is a terrifying walking paradox. We have the binocular vision and forward-facing eyes of a deadly apex predator, yet we bring hay and offer gentle strokes. When a horse follows your lead, they are overriding millions of years of evolutionary instinct, because your calm energy convinced them you are a safe anomaly. Look up at the sky, and the dynamic changes completely. Avian intelligence operates on a different plane. Corvids, like crows and ravens, do not just see a generic human silhouette, they see a highly specific identity. They memorize your facial geometry. If you wrong them, they will remember your face for years and literally teach their entire flock to hold a grudge against you. To them, we are powerful, flightless giants who control the resources of the environment, a species to be negotiated with, avoided, or exploited. Here is the practical insight you can apply to your everyday life. We spend so much time obsessing over our human personal brands, how we look and what society thinks of us. But animals remind us of a raw, undeniable truth. Your existence is defined strictly by your actions. An animal does not care about your good intentions. It only cares about your consistency. Are you a source of chaos, or are you a source of calm? Do your physical movements project threat or safety? Interacting with animals is the ultimate feedback loop for your own nervous system. The next time you walk through a quiet park or sit in silence with your pet, remember that you are stepping into a dozen different sensory worlds simultaneously. You are a complex puzzle they are constantly solving based entirely on how you behave. And in the wild, behavior is the only language that matters. What kind of energy do you think you project to the animals around you? Drop a comment below and let me know your honest experiences, because I would truly love to read them. If this shift in perspective brought you a moment of peace and clarity today, remember to pause, breathe, and keep cultivating the quiet mindset.